Maraming nagtatanong sa akin, kailangan ba talaga ng mga TEFL or TESOL certification para makapagturo online? Good news! May free option na hindi nyo na kailangang gumastos ng malaki. Today, I'll show you my actual e-certificate from Teacher Record, which I took last 2023. Yes, libre. And you get a downloadable e-certificate. If you're aspiring as an ESL teacher at gusto mong mag-start agad, this video will save you time, money, and effort. Kasi honestly, ang daming naluloko sa mga paid TESOL programs na kumakalat online. Thinking na magbabayad ka around 2,000 pesos to 5,000 pesos at sure job na daw. Pero hindi ganon. Way back in 2023, I tried the Teacher Record free TEFL course. As compared doon sa World TESOL, mas comprehensive yung sa Teacher Record. Pero simple yung module. Self-paced. Once you pass, may free downloadable na e-certificate. I'll show you the e-copy of my certificate.
Okay, this is the e-certificate I received from Teacher Record way back in 2023. So it looks like this, and you can download it as a PDF and then send it as attachment to when you apply in your desired online ESL platform. And so the next clip will be the video, a walkthrough the Teacher Record website on how you're going to, so that you have an idea about taking the Teacher Record course. Hello guys, ito naman yung sa Teacher Record. Yeah, type nyo lang yung teacherrecord.com and then gawa po kayo ng account nyo. And if you have an account, you go to your dashboard. Yes, you just click your dashboard and then mag-forward kayo dito. You click the certificates and then TEFL certificates. Yan. And then magpo-forward kayo dito sa course program niya. And makikita nyo dito yung overview ng course for the TEFL is until the module 13 at saka at the end there is a test na kailangan mong tapusin. Sa akin, mas okay yung presentation dito sa Teacher Record because mas organized siya and at the same time, pwede kang makapasok sa lahat ng mga modules kahit na hindi mo pa nagawa yung mga tests nila. Pwede mong balikan actually. Unlike doon sa PDI na hindi ka makapag-proceed kung hindi mo pa natatapos yung quiz nila. Yan. So, let's see paano yung presentation ng kanilang modules. Click mo yung study. Yan. Makikita mo dito ito yung mga overview. Yan. Ganyan siya ka-organize.
Let's answer some questions regarding this. Question number 1. Valid ba ang free TEFL certificate? Yes, valid siya. Especially sa mga entry-level ESL platforms, mga online platforms, they accept it. Many school just needs to see that you completed a TEFL or TESOL course. Pero tandaan, it won't guarantee a job. It's just one requirement. Question number 2. May bayad ba later on? No hidden fees naman sa Teacher Record. You can download the e-certificate. Pero kung gusto mo ng hard copy with seal, yun yung may bayad. Pero optional lang yon. Since you're gonna apply online, they just need an attachment of your e-certificate. And that's okay. For the actual certificate or the hard copy certificate, yeah, you need to pay for that. And they have in your website on how to avail of it and how much and how many days you're gonna take it. Actually, I did not avail for the hard copy kasi I just want the e-certificate. Ano ang difference ng free TEFL at saka paid TESOL? Yung free TEFL from Teacher Record or from other providers is enough for most online platforms. Pero kung target mo yung mas malalaking schools at advanced student like IELTS or TOEFL preps, mas maganda pag may paid TESOL or CELTA. For beginners though, that free TEFL certification naman is enough. Question number 4. Required ba agad? Not always. Some platforms may hire you even without TEFL or TESOL certificate, especially if you have a teaching experience or a degree. Pero having this free certificate also will be beneficial to you. When I started with my ESL, especially when I applied online, home-based online ESL, I didn't have that certification. I applied, and yeah, because I guess it's because of the experience I had with ESL. It's only until such time when I decided to get a certification because I stopped teaching from ESL when I started my business. And then when I need to get back, kailangan ko ng refresher. That's when I learned about free TFL certification. So for me, if you're starting out in ESL, the free TFL certificate is actually a great starting point. Imagine instead of spending 10,000 for a course, you can use that money to upgrade your workstation, your headset, lighting, or even your internet connection. Things na mas immediate at makakatulong sa teaching quality mo. Just like in business, hindi lahat ng bagay kailangang bayaran agad ng malaki. Sometimes, free resources are enough to start. Ang mahalaga, gamitin mo yung natutunan mong skills para mag-grow ka. That's exactly how I started ESL. And later on, it gave me confidence to start the Homebiz channel. So kung naghahanap ka ng free TFL certification, check out Teacher Record. I'll leave the link in the description. If you're like me na nagsimula as an ESL teacher na may pangarap ding magkaroon ng sariling negosyo, make sure to subscribe sa ating Ka-Homebiz channel. Kasi dito, we talk both about teaching from home and building business from home.